Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It has been hectic. My annual leave is over. I'm back at work, working my 9 to 5, and like I said, in Ireland in the winter time, it gets dark 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's pitch black outside. So there's no electricity in this caravan yet, so I don't have any lights, I don't have any heating, I've got nothing in here. It's just an empty shell, as I showed you. I haven't even been able to, give it a coat of paint because it's dark after work. But anyway, we'll get there in the end, we'll get there. So today I actually finished early, and I said to my husband, grab an extension cord and just so I could plug in 2 lights, plug in a heater because it's freezing in here, just so that I could do a quick painting because I'm so stressed at work, I need to paint. Anyway, so we're going to do a quick painting today. I'm going to try and do another ring pour because the ring pour I did didn't come out right. I mean, it's okay, but it didn't come out the way it was supposed to. This is the painting that we did in the last video. It's not even dry yet. Can you believe it? As you can see there, I just picked it up and I've got paint on me. It's taking very long to dry. I think it's too cold in the caravan. Anyway, we're going to do a ring pour today, so stick around and let's get a painting done. Right, I think we are set up. I have taped up the back of the canvas. I've put my push pins in. I'm just doing a small hexagon shaped canvas. I don't know the size, it's a ruler length, 30 centimeter, 12 inches it looks like. So it doesn't need a lot of paint, so I'm just going to fill up that little cup over there. There's no silicone in the paints, they are exactly how I mix them. So they are on the thicker side. Okay. Right, I think that's okay. Now, I don't have this on the spinner, so I am just going to, I need to torch it. It's got bubbles. Right, let me just quickly hit it with a heat gun. Okay, let's torch it and see what happens. So just slowly go around in circles. And now you can start going over the sides. I really hope I've got enough paint. And these push pins are irritating me. Come on, last corner, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Last corner, come on over. It is over. Okay, well that does look better. I just need to cover the edges. Okay, the edges are covered. And can you see it? I'll bring you down now. Let me just get these gloves off. I think it looks okay. Not too bad. I do like the colors. It's held its lines, which is what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I think it actually looks nice. I like it. Happy with that. Happy. So, thank you very much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I'll see you on Saturday, surely, when I do another painting.